she said change or I'm leaving you. Why your effort is never enough. In today's video, I'm going to share with you why and what to do about it. Let's go. Good day, gentlemen. Hey, it's Dwayne Klassen here, and welcome to the Remarkable Man Project. In today's video, we're going to go down the rabbit hole around the idea that she has said, you either need to change or I'm leaving you. How many men have been dealing with or are facing that ultimatum? On today's video, I'm going to give you a cautionary tale that all is not as it seems. And so many men get trapped into this and they start jumping through hoops only to realize that nothing is moving forward. In fact, it's getting worse. In today's video, I am going to share with you some powerful tips that is going to help alleviate the pain, but also allow you to grow, flourish, and perhaps to ignite that authentic masculine power so that you too can have a remarkable relationship. But before we do, if you're brand new to the channel, welcome. Please like, share, comment on it. I would love to hear your thoughts and feedback. And of course, hit that subscribe button. Here at the Remarkable Man Project, we're here to elevate your game, to challenge men to go to the 2.0 level of who they are within. Because as you know, we live in a clown show, upside down world. And what this world needs most right now is authentic masculine leadership. And that's my challenge for you. As this world needs remarkable men, my question for you is, will you be one of them? If you don't know who I am the coach for men. I'm here to challenge men all around the world to really identify what the remarkable man is within, and that becomes what you claim for who and what you are. I'm also the author of my groundbreaking book, The Remarkable Man, Champions to Women, Heroes to Children, and Brothers to Each Other. You can get your copy on Amazon today. Click the link in the description. Of course, I'm also the founder of the Remarkable Man Project, school community. If you want to get around like-minded men, a brotherhood, and also get the tools and resources you need to amplify your world, your game, to go to the next level that you know you need to go. That's the remarkable man within. All right, let's get into today's video. So if your girlfriend, your wife, your common law is telling you, you need to change or we're done. If that's the situation that you're in and you are challenged to jump through several hoops in order to salvage or save the relationship, you're actually in a lot of trouble, because this is feminine nature at its finest, because she is in fact testing you on a whole nother level. And this is where men get this messed up, because they believe that, hey, if I do this, this, and this, I'm going to get a few crumbs of affection. I'm going to get sex. Oh, this is going to be good. What ends up happening is he's not coming from the right frame. He's coming from a place of desperation. He's coming from a place of neediness. He is so craving that connection once again. And if she is giving him a window of opportunity to blow through this and be able to be her champion again, when he hasn't been in a long time, he's taken that as, okay, I'll do this, this, and this, and then I'll get, and we'll be fine. Everything will be good. Doesn't work that way. Nope. Because what he's doing is he's scrambling inside his head. Okay, I am going to buy her flowers. I'm going to take her out. I am going to do the dishes. I'm going to do the chores. I'm going to clean up things around here. We're going to do some dates. But as that happens, remember, this is that needy energy. And what ultimately ends up happening, if he's coming from this needy place, it just becomes frustration. And you're starting to calculate, tabulate all the things that you've done, yet nothing's changing. She's still not as close to you as you think she should be. Well, look what I did, all these things, and still nothing. I'm trying here. Why is she not responding? So why is this not working? Well, when you are trying on a new persona, trying on a new way of being, where's that coming from? Is it coming from an intellectual place? Is it coming from a passive-aggressive place? But it's not authentic. It's not a lock-in of who and what you are, because you're trying something. You have a hidden agenda. She has given you an inch, and you are trying to turn that into a mile. And it doesn't work that way. She can feel your inauthenticity. And I want you to lean in on this. Women do not respond to compliance. They respond to the authentic masculine energy. Let me repeat that. Women do not respond to compliance. They respond to your presence in your authentic masculine power. Can't get away from it. And if you are doing things for her from a place of compliance, then you're just doing her bidding. And she is really doing the gag reflex. Like, oh, God, ugh, ick. And that's the energy that you're pushing out there. It's just this ick, beta energy. She can sense that what you're doing is transactional. I'm going to do this, therefore I should get. And that's why it's not happening. That's why you feel frustrated, because you're all ego driven and it's just done to get a reaction. Look at me. I'm a good boy now. I'm a good man. I did it. Ugh, you did it from a place of compliance. You were complying. Yeah, it totally reeks of needy energy. Lean in on this one, brothers. And what she actually means by change is that she is trying to say that I don't feel safe. I need you to lead. I don't trust your strength right now. She is not saying, do more for me. She is saying, I don't trust who you are as a man right now. I don't feel safety. I don't feel security. I don't feel like this is a container that I can truly surrender into my feminine when I'm around you. Women need to feel a man's groundedness, his certainty, and the emotional leadership. To women, attraction truly is about emotional security. It's not about a series of chores that you're just checking off each box. Done, 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 done. Yay, I'm a good boy. All right, so what do you do? Well, I'm going to give you 4 tips to make the real path to change, the kind of change she's looking for. Number 1, stop seeking approval from her. Start to embody self-respect. I want you to make the priority the man in the mirror. There's 2 things are going to happen. There's you and there's the 2 of you together. And there are 2 trajectories. There's you going this way and there's the 2 of you going this way. No matter which one, in both scenarios, you have got to seek excellence in everything that you do. Sharpen the saw in every aspect of your life, especially getting your physical body in shape. Weaponize yourself. Really get in the best shape of your life, not just for the aesthetics, but for your health, your vitality, to be able to enjoy life at the whole nother level of what's possible. Do it for you. It'll also help you with your confidence game in a big way. Change for you and not for approval. This is an opportunity within the relationship container to turn the page and start a new chapter of what's possible for you. You've got to come from a place that you are the priority. And you've heard this countless times, that you've got to put your own oxygen mask on first. And you do that by making yourself a priority. You matter. And the more you do that, you lock it in for you, she can feel it, that you're not doing this hat in hand from a place of neediness. You're doing it from a place of strength. And the third one here is setting your values and boundaries. When was the last time you really got through your list of values and boundaries? What's super important to you? What does it mean to feel respect? What does it mean to feel disrespected? What happens within yourself when you're not getting your way? What happens when someone usurps their values and boundaries over top of yours? How do you show up? You've got to understand how you operate before anyone else can understand how you operate, because you have to essentially share your owner's manual with your beloved to allow them to understand how you operate. And then once you do that, be firm about your values and boundaries. When you do, this allows you to hold your frame in the feminine nature. When she gets into her perfect storm, you are the rock. You're the lighthouse. And you don't get bogged down into that emotional quicksand. And you're more apt to pass those shit tests that she is going to consistently put out there. You'll see them for what they are, and she will know that you see them for what they are. And that also creates attraction. And the last part on this is you've got to lead in every area of your life. Do not succumb to her emotional moods. You lead. She will follow if you are strong in who you are. Of course, you're coming from your heart. You're coming from a good space. You're not being a dick about it. You're understanding what she's going through from a 100-foot level. You get it. And then you can see where she's going through and where she needs your strength the most. She'll do her little dance and you'll see it for what it is. And she knows that you know about her and how she's wired. And the more you do this from an emotional intelligence standpoint, brother, you could have your cake and eat it too. But you got to do it from the right frame. And brother, I want to give you something it's straight up here. No matter what you do, there's still a chance that she still might leave you in spite of all the things that you have done. But know this might be the best outcome for you as well, because you get to be the best version of who you are. In spite of anything, you're still going for excellence. You're still going for the best version of who you are. And as you do, you will start to invite in the people that are more in alignment with your new self, the 2.0, the remarkable man within. So know this, you will get exactly what your intentions are. If you come from a place of neediness, you're going to get a result. If you come from a place of power, come from a place of emotional intelligence, and you're coming from the heart, man, you will get exactly what you need in this time. Trust the process, and it might just draw her in even more. Brothers, this is a deep conversation. I would love to hear your thoughts and feedback on this. Have you been given an ultimatum? What has happened? What's been the result? How have you shown up? How has it blown up? How has it been healed? Let's have a conversation. Put your comments in. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I would love to hear your thoughts and feedback. And I am dropping videos every week here in the Remarkable Man Project. If you want to do a deeper dive, I highly recommend booking your breakthrough strategy call. Let's have a 50-minute breakthrough discovery call. Figure out where it is you want your next breakthrough. You'll come away with a crystal clear plan for what's next, and we can explore for a fit to work together. Link in the description. And of course, get my book, The Remarkable Man, Champions to Women, Heroes to Children, Brothers to Each Other. Available on Amazon today. Click the link in the description. And of course, join our Remarkable Man Project School community. Your place for leadership, empowerment, and the straight goods for today's remarkable man. And like I said at the beginning, this world needs remarkable men. My question to you is, will you be one of them? Enjoy the rest of your day, be good to yourself, and remember, you're not alone on the journey. At the Remarkable Man Project, we've got your back. Cheers.